Hi, it's Zina, and today I want to review this Beyoco spray mop. It comes with 3 washable pads, a really comfortable handle, and the spray button right underneath. It's pretty long, it's comfortable to hold. You pop out the cleaning water reservoir. It's a sturdy, nice big bottle with a cap. So to refill, you would unseal the cap and put water in and detergent. Any mopping agent you want to use, and a little bit goes a long way, especially if you're using a concentrated formula. If you do mop a lot, sometimes you do have to refill this twice during mopping your house, and that should usually be enough water. When you're done, you just go ahead and pop it back inside. It's pretty sturdy and stable, it doesn't spill. Now you can go ahead, you can spray, press the button, and then you just mop it up. The mop is pretty sturdy. It's also flexible, so it can turn to different angles if you needed to, which is super convenient. When you spray, a decent amount of water comes out, but not too much, so it's perfect to get your floor clean, but not to leave it soaking wet. I love this mop and I highly recommend it.